Should you join the Partnerco MLM business? Welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that's on a lot of people's minds, and that is the rebranded Partnerco multi-level marketing business. Is it going to be worth your time and your effort? Maybe you're not sure whether you should join it, or you might be thinking it's just another multi-level marketing trap. And that's what I'm going to break it down all for you in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so what is Partnerco all about? Let's start with the basics. So Partnerco is a health, beauty, and it's a wellness company, but it operates as an MLM or multi-level marketing business. Now, if that raises certain eyebrows, I do get where you're coming from, because let's face it, multi-level marketing companies, they do have a certain reputation, don't they? But nevertheless, this company was first operating under another name called NewAge, and it had to go through a period of bankruptcy where they came back and they rebranded it as Partnerco. And now they're selling skin care and wellness products, and of course they have a business opportunity. Is it a very good business opportunity? Let's take a look at how the Partnerco MLM works. Okay, how does the Partnerco MLM work? How do you make money with the company? Well, the first thing is, if you want to get started with them, you have to purchase a business starter kit, and you can check out their prices on their website. It is a bit pricey. Nevertheless, once you've got the business starter kit, then the next step is to actually start selling the company products. After you've used them and you talk to other people about the product and you like the products, you can earn retail commissions from the company's products. Now, that's not all. It goes deeper, much deeper. If you watch the video, they do have a compensation plan video on their website. It's about 6 minutes long, but you will learn that they have about 8 ways that you can get paid as a brand partner or Partnerco, and retail profits is just one of the ways. If you want to make much more money, then you will have to build a team, and this is where you can earn commissions from sales that people within your downline make. So this is what I'm talking about, the 8 ways that you can get paid: base commissions, matching bonuses. So once somebody within your team reaches a certain level, then you can earn a certain percentage of how much they've earned. You earn base commissions, and the video will tell you straight that if you want to earn the residual incomes, or you want to earn a passive income, you must make sure that you have built a good team. And this is a real tricky part about the multi-level marketing business compensation plan, is that your success is largely dependent on how well you are able to both manage, maintain, and build your network. Now let's take a look at their products and see what that's all about. Okay, so let's quickly just talk about the Partnerco products. Now, they have products across various categories. They're in the health and in the wellness sector. So here you're going to find supplements, you're going to find wellness products, you're going to find general wellness stuff, skincare products, all of it. You're going to find it on here. And the big question is, are people happy with the Partnerco products? And if you go on to trustpilot.com, this is one of the places where the company received 2.7 reviews. And some people found the products work really well, and they're happy with using the products. Of course, you're going to get the other side of the spectrum where people are going to say that, you know what, the products don't work. And this is where it's challenging for you, or it becomes a challenge for you as one of the brand partners, because remember, at the end of the day, you can't make everybody happy. You might find the products work well for you, but other people are going to say, no, it doesn't work for them. And this is where you're going to have a challenge of actually earning your retail commissions. Remember, other people might already be used to another brand. So the other challenge is trying to convince them to try a product like this. And the other thing is, they're going to say, okay, look, it's a bit expensive. How can I get it cheaper? And the one way you can offer to them to get it cheaper is if they decide to go for the auto ship program. This is where they they commit to getting the products every single month at a cheaper price. And this is where they have to look at their pocket. And not everybody might be willing to do that. So that's another challenge that you might face. But this is just the products in a nutshell. Now let's answer the $1 million question next. All right, what is this $1 million question? Can you make money with Partnerco? And my answer is yes, you can. You can earn retail commissions, but the bigger payouts are coming from recruiting others. And let's face it, many people struggle with recruiting others to join a multi-level marketing business. Unless you have experience with marketing or you know how to build a network, it can become a struggle. I just want to make a note here that I tried looking for an income disclosure, but I couldn't find one for Partnerco. Here's the question. If only a minority of the people are earning good money, then what about the rest of the people? Now, as far as pros and cons are concerned, the pros of Partnerco is, first of all, they offer you a flexible schedule. So joining them, you can work in your free time. You also got a potential of earning a residual income, but that depends on your ability to build a big team. And then, of course, they're in the wellness industry. So it's an industry that's booming, so there is a potential for you to make money. On the other side of the coin, the cons, I feel that the products are expensive. There's no income disclosure. The fact that they are in a booming industry also means it's a very competitive industry. So, like I mentioned earlier on, it will be a challenge for you to break through and to convince other people to buy these products. So there you have it. Those are the pros and cons of the multi-level marketing business called Partnerco. Alright, so there you have it. That's my review of Partnerco. Should you join the Partnerco business, now you know what it will take for you to become successful with this type of business models. Are you someone who is able to recruit? Do you see yourself able to get other people to build a team, to manage a team? And I just want to tell you something. If you feel that you are not that type of person, it's not the end of the world. There are various other business models out there where you don't need to do this recruiting, or you don't need to build a team. In fact, you don't even have to talk to anybody to build yourself a successful online business. And that's the message I want to leave you with today, that there are other options out there. If you feel that this is not the right option for you, I want to leave you with my number one recommendation, where you don't have to go out and selling products. You don't have to have a product of your own. You don't have to do any recruiting. And you can basically get started right away. It's a totally beginner-friendly business model. It's called affiliate marketing, and I got started back in 2015. And if you would like to learn more on how you can get started, then feel free to check out my number one recommendation. I have put the link in the video description, so take your time, read through it. If you have any other questions or comments, I would love to hear from you. And if you want to read the full review of Partnerco, then I have put a link there. It will take you to my website where I've written a detailed review of Partnerco. Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you have found it useful and valuable, please give it a like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can chat in my next video. Wishing you everything of the best in your success. Goodbye and take care.